In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Microsoft Excel app tailored to your particular device, whether you're using a desktop computer, like Windows or Mac, or a mobile device such as Android or iOS. Let's start by focusing on desktops, which includes both Windows and Mac systems. For this process, we'll be utilizing your Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time purchase of Office. First, let's head over to the Microsoft 365 account portal. You'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account, or if applicable, your work or school account. This step is essential as it ensures you have the proper credentials to access and download the applications you're entitled to. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself at the dashboard. Here, you will see an option that says Install Apps, or sometimes Install Office. Click on this to start the process. What happens next is that you'll be prompted to download the installer. If you're on a Windows device, this file is typically named officesetup.exe. For Mac users, you'll be looking for a file with a .pkg extension. Once the download is complete, the next step involves running this installer file. Double-click on it to start the installation process. Now, follow the on-screen prompts. These instructions are straightforward and quite intuitive, guiding you step by step through the setup. The installation package includes Excel, along with the full suite of Office applications. It's important not to rush this part and ensure everything is installed correctly for smooth functioning. After the installation process is complete, locate and open Excel. If it doesn't automatically activate, you might be prompted to sign in again. Use the same account credentials you used earlier to complete the activation. This step is crucial as it verifies your license and unlocks all the features available with your subscription or purchase. There you have it, a seamless way to set up Microsoft Excel on your desktop, ensuring you're ready to handle spreadsheets and data analysis with ease. Whether you're a student managing assignments or a professional dealing with data, mastering Excel opens up a world of possibilities for organizing and visualizing information. And remember, if any issues arise during installation, make sure your system meets the necessary requirements and that your subscription or purchase is active and current. Reach out to Microsoft support if problems persist. They're there to help you in any technical mishap. So, there you go. You're now set up with Excel, poised to dive into data-driven tasks on your desktop. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll help you make the most out of your digital tools.